guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be talking about face wash for every skin type. I think cleansing or washing your face after a full day of makeup or in the morning is a must. It lays the foundation for a better skin. So without further ado, let's get back to the video. The first face wash is from Biore. This is best suited for blemish prone skin and acne prone skin. It is non-comedogenic, so it will not clog your pores, and the skin is clean for any kind of treatment. So it doesn't irritate your skin. So that's the best part about this face wash. I will just show you how the consistency is. This is the consistency. It is a very good option for summers. It also removes your makeup very well. Retails for around 300 rupees. Second face wash is by Kiehl's. I really love the formula. It's gel based. This formula is really gentle. It will not make your skin dry, and it will not strip it off the pH level of your skin, natural oils of your skin. It will make sure that your skin is comfortable and not irritated. It's just that it is a little bit on a pricier side, but it's been a long time I have been using this product. It retails for around 17 to 1800 rupees. As I said, it is on a pricier side, but it is really effective. It works perfectly on all skin types. It's value for money, and it has been almost more than a year I have been using this product. A little goes a long way, and as I said, it's a gel based. This is how it looks. Third product is from Clearasil. I remember using this product a long time ago, and it is very mild, and this one is a foam based face washes are on a drying side. So if you have sensitive skin or oily skin, this can work perfectly. Now the fourth one is by Garnier. It's the micellar water. This is an all-in-one product. You can just put it on a cotton pad and just wipe it on your face. It can act as a makeup remover or just a cleanser for your face. It does hydrates your skin, so that's again a very good thing about this. After this, you do need to apply a moisturizer. Don't think that if it's an all-in-one product, you don't have to apply. You do need to apply a moisturizer to make sure that your skin is moisturized and plump. It does the job of removing any dirt or makeup, waterproof makeup. It just works perfectly. This retails for around 400 rupees, 4 to 500 rupees, again depending on from where you're buying it. But I think it's a pretty good product if you use makeup almost every other day. You need a micellar water as a cleanser in your stash. The last product is by Clinique. It's their Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I think it's a very popular product, and I'm almost out of it. I use this almost every other day whenever I have a full face of makeup. But this is an amazing product if you have overly dry skin, because this makes sure that your makeup is removed but also gives you a good massage, because it's a oil based. So if you have dry skin, this works. So the best part about this product is that though it is in solid form, but when you apply it on your skin, it transforms into oily texture, like you're applying a oil, but it is not greasy also. I don't know how they do it, but that's how it feels on your skin. And it breaks down the makeup gently, and then you can just use a damp muslin cloth to just take off the excess. And if you feel the need of applying another cleanser or a micellar water for your eye makeup, you can do that. So that's what I like to do. I remove my eye makeup using a micellar water, but I use this on my face. And it retails for around 2000 rupees. It is an expensive product, but again, such products do last you for a long time. It has been almost 1.5 years that I've been using this, though I'm out of it now, so I have to get another one, or maybe I'll try something else. The consistency of this is just like a balm, very smooth, like coconut oil when it's all in solid form. But it removes makeup gently and just makes your skin very smooth and very supple. After applying this, you will not feel that you've taken off the makeup. It will not feel dry. That's it guys from my end. Hope you have liked this video. Have you used any of these face washes? If yes, which one? And what kind of skin do you have? Which texture do you prefer? Do let me know in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.